Hi, Naveen, Nagalakshmi. Good morning, very good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. How are you all? So, everyone, how are you? Right. So, all of you had your lunch, everyone. Everyone had your lunch or not? Right? Lunch over or not over? Right. So, today onwards, right, what we'll be doing is we'll be going for these questions, right? PYQs, no? So, what are the subjects we are doing that PYQs, right, depending upon your presence in the classes only, right? If you attend regularly, I'll do that. Otherwise, I'll not do that. Okay? Because current affairs I have started, but all people said you do, but nobody was there. Okay, don't worry. The state PSC, PYQs, and all these things we'll be doing now. So all PYQs of which one is highway engineering, highway part, highway planning will be doing, right? Part 1 will be doing. Okay. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? So Naveen, Nagalakshmi, Tapati, Umang. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use always. Right, RPCivil. Right, these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy. At present, this Unacademy plus subscription for which one? SSC JE State AE JE courses in English. Latest batch was started on October 31st. Yeah. So this is the price you are having, all of you. So this is the price at which you are having now, subscription amount. And what is the referral code you have to use when you are subscribing? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, right? Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Now, so these are the batches, right? Latest batch was started by me only. Highway engineering I have started on October 31st, right? So what is the code? RP Civil you have to use, right? GATE and ESC that we have completed, but here it is all exams, right? It is all exams one, right? But at the time this is mainly focus on which one? This except GATE, remaining all exams here, okay? Except GATE, remaining all will be covered here, okay? That is what, right? Because especially for the government job purpose. So these classes will be government job purpose, you can say, right? Yeah, Yashwan, good afternoon. So AI Airport Authority of India at this subscription price all of you. So what is the referral code you have to use, right? RP Civil is the code you have to use, right? And these are the vacancies details. AEI batch details you are having here. Now, so these are the features you can say, right, when you are taking this plus subscription, right? That PYQs means yeah, I'll start them again, right? GATE PYQs also I'll start, right? But actually this Brahmastra series came na, is that no? I mean this Brahmastra series came, right? Because of the Brahmastra series I was not doing them. Brahmastra series, once this Brahmastra series over, I'll be starting them, don't worry, okay? So RP Civil. So for steel, what I have done, along with the discussion, PYQs also have completed for steel. So next subject I'll be doing mostly the structural related subjects I'll try to do. After that, we'll try to do it. Yeah, crash course, yeah, it will be started, don't worry, right? It will be started, don't worry. So either I'm thinking to start which one, this full length course in December, right? Full length course in December I wanted to start actually. So mostly we'll see. Complete course on this heavy engineering and this complete course on strength of materials, these two are going on. So now all PYQs of highway. So started from which one? This today, right? 21/11/23. It is started now, right? This will be 2 to 3 p.m. Okay, right. So all PYQs of this highway engineering part 1, right? Chapter 1 PYQs will be discussing, right? Yes, na? So shall we go for this, all of you, everyone, if you just observe? So all these PYQs will be covering here, right? All these PYQs will be covering here. You can see if you just observe which PYQs, especially for this state examination, SSC JE exam, and this state, this PSUs, state PSUs, and SSC JE exams. I am going to cover actually. Okay, right. So shall I start the poll, all of you? I'll be starting the poll, right? 30 seconds time I will be giving. So 30 seconds, okay, or 45 seconds should I give for every question, all of you? 30 seconds is okay, or 45 seconds should I give everyone? That is okay. Okay, let it be. So whenever any numerical type of question comes, we will be giving more, don't worry. Only Yashwant answered correctly. Yashwant, Nagalakshmi, JD, Naveen answered correctly. Right, 50% only answered. Right, yeah, for numerical 45. 45. So बड़ा वाला numerical है तो 45 seconds में calculate कर सकते हैं. Okay. The GT road from Lahore to Calcutta is undivided India was constructed during, right? Which one? During which period? If you just observe, you can say. During which period it was constructed, you can say, right? During this 1540 to this 1545 AD, right? 1540 to this 2 times 45. Okay, then it is okay. So who is that fellow ruling India at the time? Sher Shah Suri. Okay, Sher Shah Suri. So this was the first major road in the modern India, right? Not the ancient India. We are not talking about the ancient India. We are talking about this modern India. Okay, right. So the second one, if you just observe. No. TE there is no ongoing. TE it is going on in SSC JE. TE plus course is going on in SSC JE, and it is not in GATE going on. Okay, right. Select the answer for this. Muhammad JD answered correctly. Bukram Nagalakshmi also answered correctly. Right, so this is the leaderboard. Right, this is the leaderboard, you can say. Right, so in India, modes of transportation in the order of their importance, right? Which one? Air transportation, shipping, roads, railways. Shipping, roads, railways, air transportation. Railways, roads, shipping, air transportation. And which one should be given first priority? You can say that railways will be given more priority, right? Railways, roads, shipping, air transportation, right? So this is option C will be the. So which one will be the correct answer? We can say, right? Option C will be the correct answer, and yes, option C will be the correct answer, right? So shall I move to the next question? Right, the third one. I'll be going on to this, right? Answer this question. Yeah, good afternoon, Shruti. Naveen, Shruti, Revati, Sanjay answered correctly. Very good, very good. Umang also answered correctly. JD also answered correctly. Right. So I could not see anybody from YouTube. Right. Yeah, Zamin. Okay. TE crash course. Okay, everybody is asking for TE crash course. Okay. In YouTube also, Jamin. But okay, I'll start. Don't worry. I told now already. December starting. I'll start. December next month. I'll start. December first week. I'll start. Right. 3 modes of transportation are which one? Land mode of transportation, water mode of transportation, air mode of transportation. Right. In this land mode of transportation, and what is that you are having? In the land mode of transportation, what is that you are having? If you just observe. So land mode of transportation, you will be having which one? So roads and the railways both are there in the land mode of transportation only, no? So no, both are there in the land mode of transportation only, right? So water mode of transportation, harbor engineering, and air mode of transportation, what is that you can say? Airport engineering, you can say, right? Like that, isn't it? So fourth question, right? Try to select the answer, everyone. Shruti, Revati, Nagalakshmi answered correctly. Right. So this is a leaderboard, you can say. So what is the classification if you just observe, everyone? So what is that? According to the Nagpur road plan, the roads have been classified into which one? This first one, national highway, next state highway. What is it you can say? Major district road, next other district road, and this village road, right? There's no other district road and this village road, right? How many classes it is classified into? Yeah, 5 classes only, no? But in according to the Mumbai road plan, second 20-year road plan, what is there you can say? 6. Expressway is also added or not? Yes, expressway is also added, you can say, right? So note this and tell me. So this one, question number 5, try to select the answer of you. Shruti, Revati, Yashwant, Sanjay answered correctly. Nagalakshmi also answered. 65% only. Are yaar, this is very easy na? Are 50% only answered. Are why 50% become cute fellows? This is the leaderboard. Right, what is it you can say? As per the modified classification of this road system in the third 20-year road plan. Third 20-year road plan बोले तो कौन सा वाला? Lucknow road plan है ना? Is that no? 1981 to 2001. The roads in the country are under primary system, right? Which one? Expressway and this national highway na? So state highway and this major district road, these are your secondary system na? Is that no? So this other district road and village, that is your, this is your secondary. Is that no? This is your secondary, and this is your which one? This is a third, so tertiary na? Is that no? Tertiary classification na, is no primary, secondary and this tertiary, right? Here primary is asked, you have to answer this, right? Is na? So select the answer if you just observe the first question, so sixth question answer. Yeah, Shruti, Rakesh, Lakshmi, Naveen answered correctly. Sanjay, JD answered correctly. Right, okay. I could not show that leaderboard. In functional classification of highways, which one of the following is the highway highest mobility and this less accessibility, right? Highest mobility means fast movement of vehicles, na? Less accessibility means we cannot enter everywhere we want, right? That is your national highway only or not everyone, right? National highway only, na? So this one, if you just observe, say, I'll be going for this. Try to select the answer. Seventh question. Yeah, 55. 50% only. Are why 50% is becoming cute fellows every time? What is the reason? Shruti, Rakesh, Mohammed, Sanjay, Yashwant answered correctly. Right, this is a leaderboard. Okay. Yeah, good afternoon. Very good afternoon. The length of national highway as per this Lucknow road plan is, right? What is the, you can say, area of this country by 50 na? Is no? Area of this country by 50 only or not everyone? So state highway, what is the, you can say, area by this 25. Major district road, what is the, you can say, area by this 12.5 na? Is no? So directly I'll be going for this, right? Select the answer for this question, 8th question. Shruti, Sanjay, Revati, JD answered correctly. So fatafat done, we are just going for this quiz manner only. Okay, Mama, Yashwant. So every month we'll be having 5 classes on this one only. Okay, 5 to 10 hours. 5 to 10 classes we'll take on this only. Okay. Right. So this is a leaderboard. Right. You can see. Right. So Nagpur road plan formula has prepared assuming a shape of which one? So which one is assumed? Star and grid pattern is assumed. Yes or no? Star and grid pattern is preferred by this Nagpur road plan. You can say, right. So select the answer here, everyone. Select the answer of you for this. Second 20-year road plan is all called as. Are this you should not be answering wrong. Are how many cute fellows are there? 20% cute fellows are there. This you should not be answering wrong, definitely. Okay. Right, this is a leaderboard. Okay. So now second 20-year road plan is what? Is there any Madras road plan? No. Lucknow road plan, this is your third 20-year road plan. Bombay road plan, it is your second 20-year road plan. Delhi, Kolkata road plans are not there, right? Nagpur road plan was only there, right? Like that. So shall I move on to the 10th question? Right. So I'll be going on to this, right? Try to select the answer of you. 30 seconds time I'm giving. So wherever little bigger questions are there, I'll be giving which one is 45 seconds or 1 minute like that. But generally these 30 seconds is sufficient enough, na? So that you can become faster and all these things. Right, this is a letter what? So what is it you can say? The target of achieving the overall density of this road length in the third 20-year road plan is what? 82 kilometers per this 100 square kilometer, na? So first 20-year road plan, how much it will be? Anybody remember that? First 20-year road plan it is 16. Second 20-year road plan, how much it will be? 32, na? Next third 20-year road plan, how much it will be? 82, you can say, right? Third 20-year road plan, how much it will be? 82, you can say, we just right? So like that. So shall I go for this 11th question, everyone? Right. Yeah, 1632, 82, right? Here it is actually more than one option will be correct, right? More than one option will be correct. I'll be selecting the first possible correct answer, right? 45 seconds I'll be giving because it will take more time to read, na? Are yeah, fatafat Dhanandan selected. Very good. I have given extra time unnecessarily. Okay. Both two answers will be correct actually. I'll be selecting the first possible correct answer. If A and B are correct, I'll be selecting A. B and C are correct, I'll be selecting B. C and D are correct, I'll be selecting C. Okay, like that. Yeah, complete hoga means these questions will be doing na. So their plus course is going on, along with that this will be doing. उसके साथ ये just a question solving वाला ना, yeah, MSQ type of question you can say. The objective of this Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is to provide all weather roads to the eligible unconnected inhabitants in the rural area with a population of which one? So which one? 1000 persons in above in plain areas and 500 persons in the above hilly areas, hilly and desert areas. Second one, 500 persons in the above in the plain areas and 250 persons above in the hilly and desert areas, right? But if you just observe, na, so what you can say, this is by which one? This is by which year? You can say this is by this 2009 and 10, na? This is by this 2009-10. So this is by which year? Tell me 2014-15, na? This is by this 2014-15, right? So actually the question is not having clarity, right? They have to mention by which year, by which target, at first target, primary target they have to ask, right? You may get it out. Sir, if the question is given same in the same manner, which one we have to answer? Option C we have to select, right? Because this is the first criteria, na? First 1000 and 500. Next we'll go for this 500 and 250. Next we'll go for this lesser than 200. Yes, na? So that way you have to go for, right? Yes, na? Is it clear now? Right. So next question, try to select. Right. One second more time. But 41% only answered. Are yaar, why? Okay. So option select करना है, right? ऐसा लिखे लिखे तो mark नहीं मिलेगा. Option select करे तो marks मिलेगा. Okay, Mukran, you have to be careful, right? So this is a letter about Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana was launched in the year which one? This 2000, na? Is that no? So it was launched in the year 2000. By 2003, what is that? All inhabitants in the plain areas with population greater than 1000 are to be connected. So next, second one is what? All inhabitants in the plain areas with population greater than 500 are to be connected. By which one? This 2007 year. But by the time 2007 comes, almost 50% of the rural areas are not connected. That's why they have started this Vision 2025 program, if you remember. Is not? So shall I go for the next question of you? Shall I? I'll be going for this question. Try to select the answer. 13th question, everyone. Right? Okay, this is a little bit. So what is it you can say? PMGSY, a program of this government of India deals with, right? So what is the purpose of this PMGSY, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana? It is urban employment, rural road development, rural employment and rural electricity, right? Which one is the correct answer, right? Rural road development only, no? Obviously, right? Rural road development only or not? Yes, absolutely, right? So I'll be going for this next one, right? Try to select the answer of you. So highway planning and development, both together I am discussing, okay? Highway planning and development, both together I am discussing these questions, okay? You have to be careful. IRC committee was appointed by the government with M.R. Jayakar as the chairman in. So Jayakar committee was formed in which year, you can say, everyone? The Jayakar committee was formed in which year? So that is the answer, right? Are you 87%, 80% only correct answer? Why? Why? Remaining 20% cute fellows? Are you don't become so much cute. So 1927, no, 1927 it is formed. 1928 they have submitted the report, and what they have recommended, if you just remember, all of you, what they have recommended? A central road, a fund must be created, and a technical, semi-official technical body must be created. So government must take the responsibility of construction of all the roads, and research organization must be there, right? So these are the recommendations you are having, right? So next, shall I move on to the next question, 15th question? Right, select the answer of you. This is a letter board. Choose a wrong option, right? You have to be careful. You have to be careful. Yeah, options are there, na? Not there. 1927. Yeah, the Indian Road Congress came into existence in which one? This 1934. Yeah, options are okay. You are okay. You are saying that, sir, first C came and the next B. You have to choose accordingly, right? You have to choose accordingly. So I have just given like that only to check your observation capacity. Okay, you observe carefully and you select the answer, right? You observe carefully and select the answer, right? If B is there, B only you select, right? If C is there, C only you select, right? I'm jumbling, right? So because how much you are concentrating on the class, or you are concentrating on the window in front of you, that I wanted to check it. Okay, that's why. Right. Okay, shall I move to the next one? Right, select the answer. So this is a leaderboard, right? So for administration of this road transport, Motor Vehicle Act, right? So why this Motor Vehicle Act came into picture? Because in 1927, Jayakar Committee was formed. 1929, what is it we have formed? You can say 1927, Jayakar Committee was formed. 1928, they have submitted the report. 1929, we have formed the Central Road Fund, and after collecting some amount of money, 1934, that IRC is formed, right? Technical body is created, but roads started construction, right? But we don't have any regulating or controlling authority for this vehicle movement, right? So that's why Motor Vehicle Act was come into picture in this 1939, right? So what is the purpose of this Motor Vehicle Act? You can say according to this. So when you have to move on to the left hand side, right? All these things, right? Yes, laws and regulations, you can say, right? Yeah, I think this is also same exactly, na? Yeah, this is also same question exactly. Right, so this you take it as this is 17th question. Okay, shall I go for this? Right, try to select. You read the question carefully, right? You read the question carefully. Right, so this is the leaderboard, you can say. Now coming to this, so which of the following is not an urban road system, right? Which of the following is not, means what is it, you can say, what is the meaning of this not? So concentric and radial street system, yes, it will be there, na? So at the center concentric, right, it will be there, and a radial road system, right? So this is the center of which one? This is a city. Who is having confusion? Tell me, what is your confusion? Who is having confusion? Somebody said they are having confusion, na? That emoji. So this is the central business area and this radial system. We can adopt this one or not? Yes, we can adopt this absolutely, na? Yes or no? So concentric and this radial street system, right? Is no wrong Paul? Did I give wrong Paul? No, 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 no. Let's check it. Let's check it. Right? Okay, don't worry. It's correct only. Gridiron system, right? What is a gridiron? You can say gridiron is nothing but your this rectangular type, right? Do you have any problem with these two? So B and C we can go for na. I'll explain, don't worry. B and C we can go for or not? B and C we can go for or not? B and C we can go for na? Yes or no? Organic street system means, right? What is the meaning of this organic street system? It is nothing but your disorganized. Disorganized, right? So examples are which one? This is slums. Okay. So whenever you are going to this slum areas, right? What will happen? Whenever you are going to this slum areas, right? What will happen? You can say. So this disorganized, na, they are not organized, right? But so this kind of things also will be present in a city. But polynomial stress, is there any stress kind of streets you are having? Polynomial stress is not there, na? Yes or no? So which one is there? A, B, C are there, and which one is not there? D is not there, na? Yes or no? D is not there, right? Is it clear now? Organic street system means what? Yeah, organic street system means what? What is it you can say? Yeah, fourth one you can directly eliminate, right? Why? Stress is given, right? It is not the street given. All are given as a street system, but this is given as which one? This is stress. अरे यार रोड पे स्ट्रेस कैसे होता है, right? So shall I move to the next question? Right? This is your which one? This is the 18th question. Right? I'll be going for this. Note this and tell me the second. Sorry, select the correct answer of you. Are you 20% only? Remaining 33% only answered correctly. Right. So this is a leaderboard. So what is it you can say? Gravity model. Generally, what is the meaning of this gravity? Tell me. Gravity means so whenever you are on the earth, gravity means if at all you are just standing here, and what will happen? You will be just standing there only, or you will be falling. You will be falling around. You will be falling, right? So means top to bottom you are having na. So top to bottom means what is it? You can say trip distribution, right? Top to bottom means, so what is it you can say first of all? So arterial street, if you just observe arterial street to which one, this it will be distributed. So collector street 1 and collector street 2. Next what happens, you can say collector street 3, right? So collector street 1 to which one, this is local street 1, again local street 2, this in this local street 3, like that it will be distributed into the local streets like this, na? Is that no? So this is only the gravity model, na? Is that no? Top to bottom, this is only the gravity model or not? Trip distribution. It is not generation. It is a generation means what is that you can say reverse direction, na? Is that no? Reverse direction, na? So majority of the trips will be generated on which one? Arterial street they will be generated, or local streets they will be generated, right? Local street they will be generated, na? If you remember our plus classes, right? So you have to be careful, right? You have to be careful, right? Which one is correct? So trip distribution is only correct, you can say, is na? Right, shall I move to the next one? So this is your 19th question, you can say. Right, try to select the answer. Okay, what is that? It was actually 2001 question. Okay, you have to select accordingly. Right, this is a little board. Right, so now what is it you can see? It is National Highway 9 na? Pune, Solapur, Hyderabad, Vijayawada. It is National Highway 9. Okay, right. So 30 seconds only I am giving the time. Try to match this, or shall I give more time? This was actually based on the old specifications. Okay, at present actually the numbers are changed a lot. Okay, Right, this is a letter what? So what is it you can say? National Highway 1, Delhi to Amritsar, is not? So National Highway 1A, what is it you can say? Jalandhar to Uri, right? Next, what is it you can say? National Highway 3, Agra to this Mumbai. National Highway 7, Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Right? This is the longest national highway you will be having. Na? So what is the specialty of this National Highway 7? Varanasi to Kanyakumari, it is the longest national highway you are having, right? If at all there is a question like that, you have to answer this NH7, okay? Right. So shall I go for this, all of you? Right, I will be going for this, right? This is 20th question or 21? Okay, 21st question. Yeah, this is a letter what, right? So what is that? The zero milestone in India is located at which one? Zero milestone is located at which location? That is Nagpur, na? Is that no? So many of your friends from this Nagpur might have, or those who went to Nagpur, so they might have kept this, which one? This status, I am at zero milestone, right? Like that. Have you seen everyone or not? So this is also same, na? Right here. 21. Same, this is also same. Oh yeah, I think these questions came in a wrong manner. Okay, 22. So what is it you can say if you just observe it? You just go for this, all of you. This is your 22nd, na? Okay, 22nd question only. Some questions were missing actually. I forgot to add those questions. Okay, let it be. Once these are over, I will be adding them. No need to worry about it. Right, this is a letter what? Right. Okay. So what is it you can say? The road development plan for India for the period of this 1981 to this 2001 is called as which one? This Lucknow plan, na? Yes or no? It is called as your Lucknow road plan only or not? Yes, that is your 23rd question. Select the answer. Yeah, very chota bacha questions all are. All questions are chota bacha only, na? Not only this one. Every question is chota bacha question only, no? Right, like that. Yes. All specifications for highway planning and design are given by IRC only, no? Yes or no? So Motor Vehicle Act, what it will be giving? Excuse me. IRC will be giving the specifications. Motor Vehicle Act, it will be law enforcement, no? Yes or no? HRB, it is a research board, right? CRRI is also research board, you can say, yes, no? Is it clear? Now, so what is it you can say if you just observe it? This one. Right, okay, this is a letter word, right? So now what is it you can say? The road foundation or motor and highway construction was developed by, right? So whatever the modern roads we are having now, right, all these modern roads were developed by which one? The basic concept corresponding to the modern roads is given by whom, you can say? So it is your Macadam only, no? So no, Macadam is the first person who constructed the roads in a scientific manner, if you just observe, right? Is not right? 25. This is your 25th question, no? Select the answer. right? So this is the leaderboard. So what is it you can say here? If you just observe, the maximum utility system is based on the concept of, right, maximum utility per this unit cost of the road, maximum utility per unit length of this road, maximum utility per unit population, at D none of the above, right? Which one? Maximum utility per this unit length of this road, yes or no? Maximum utility per this unit length of this road, right? This is your 26th question if you just observe, right? A, B, C, D. Okay, so shall I go for this? Right, try to select the answer of you. 30 seconds time I'm giving. Okay, whatever I'll do on the screen it is visible. One second, I'll try to add these questions, don't worry. Right, this is done. Okay, these are leaderboard. So the survey carried out to delineate the natural features such as hills, rivers, forests, and man-made features such as towns, villages, buildings, roads, transmission lines, and everything is called as which one? Engineering survey. In the engineering survey, do you do all these things? No. In the engineering survey, right, what is that we will go for in the engineering survey? That soil testing and material testing, material availability and pavement adhesion, all these things we'll do now. But in the topographic survey only we'll be doing all these things, or not? Yes or no? Topographical survey only will be doing all these things, or not? Because observation of this surroundings is nothing but your topographic survey, or not everyone? Is not? Right. This is your 27th question. Okay. A, B, C, D. Select the answer of you. So today we'll complete this highway planning and training cast. Actually, some questions were missing. One second, I'll be adding those questions. I think this is over now. Leaderboard. This is leaderboard. Last question. No. It is not the last question. So the survey of India was published to topo sheets using a scale of which one is which scale? 1:50,000 is the scale. 1:50,000 is the scale. Using this scale, survey of India will be publishing these topo maps. You can say, is not right? That is your which one you can say? That is your 27th question. Right? This is 28th question. Huh? So now what is that? Select the answer. A, B, C, D. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you assume A, B, C, D. Okay, those are A, B, C. One second. One second, guys. So this is a leaderboard. So what is it you can say? So what is it you can say? If you just observe, the terrains are classified by IRC for design purpose, right? What is it you can say? The mountainous terrain has a cross slope of, right? How much is the mountainous terrain is having the cross slope if you just observe? So plain terrain, if you just observe, what is the plain terrain is having? You can say plain terrain is nothing but your 0 to 10% na. And what is it? A rolling terrain, if you just observe, rolling is nothing but your 10 to 25% na. Rolling is nothing but your 10 to 25%, right? And what is the hilly or this mountainous terrain if you just observe? That is your 25 to 60%. And what is the steep terrain if you just observe? Steep terrain will be which one is more than 60% or not? Yes, more than 60%, you can say, right, like that. So which option is correct now? So mountainous terrain na. Mountainous terrain is that is your 25 to the 60% or not? Yes, 25 to the 60%, right? Okay. So still few questions are there. Just a minute. One second, I'll try to upload these questions. One second, guys. 1 second, just wait. In YouTube you can see what I am doing. Okay, what is my screen you can see, right? Okay, 1 second, I'll just try to upload this. Right, I just uploaded. So this is 28th question. 1 sec, let me refresh. Right, so this is your 29th question, you can say. So which one actually, if you just observe, you can select both the options, right? Two options you can select, right? First possible answer I am selecting. This is a leaderboard. So what is the, you can say, yeah, this is a leaderboard. Classification of this road in India was done by, right, central government, Indian Road Congress has done, and this Nagpur road plan also done, na? So no, both are done, na? But which one we have to select the answer? Both we have to select the answer, right? B and D, right? So which one we have to select it? If both are there, B and D both are correct only, right? Any one you can select, right? Is not. So first time classification of this roads was done by which one? First time the roads classification was done by this IRC Nagpur road plan only, no? Is no? Five. It has classified into these 5 types, no? So no. This is your 30th question, you can say. So question number 30, right? What is it, you can say? Select the answer of you. This is a leaderboard. So which one is the correct answer? Division of this Indian road into the 4 classes as national highway, state highway, district roads, right? So what is the district road, you can say? This district road can be taken as your major district road, as well as which one is other district road, right? And village road, right? Possibly is done by which one? Nagpur road plan only has done this, no? So no. Who did this? Nagpur road plan only has classified this one, or not? Yes, actually. Are yaar. Answer itself is visible. Okay. Okay. Are yaar. Why you are given like that? Okay. I'll see how many of you will answer correctly. Still, there will be one cute fellow. I think so. No cute fellow. All are smart people only. Very good. Very, very good. Everybody smart. Taller, sharper, stronger. Taking boost, complan. All. Very good. Everybody observed the answer. Arey yaar. Tell me how many of you answered the question without seeing the answer? In India, yellow and white color on a milestone indicates, right? Which one? How many of you did not do cheating? Not seen. I have asked those who did not see, right? Those who did not see and answer correctly. Tell me. Anybody? You? Okay, Uma. Yeah, Mukram. Yashwant, correct. Okay. So which one is, you can say, if you just observe national highway, yellow and white strip. So state highway, green and white strip. So city are these main district roads, right? Blue are this black and white strips you are having. Very good. Village roads, what is it, you can say? Orange and this white strips you are having, right? Yeah. So which one you can say yellow and this white color where it is present for this national highway? No, for this national highway only it is present or not everyone, right? So shall I move to the next question, 32nd question? Yeah. Actually I had to give it here by mistake. I have copied here also. Actually I have to copy here, but I have copied here also by mistake. Okay. Right. So shall I go for this? Right. Try to select the answer. Yeah, this is the report. Right. So what is it you can say? So match the following pair: NHDP, CRRA, PMGSY, ARC. Which one? Village Road Development, Highway Research Board, and so what is it you can say? Golden Quadrilateral at National Laboratory. So what is it you can say? IRC, NHDP has started this Golden Quadrilateral program. Na? National Highways Development Program. Golden Quadrilateral is the first and foremost program under this NHDP, or not everyone, right? CRRI and PMGSY, Village Road Development. No? So A3 C1, A3 C1, how many are there? A3 C1, right? A3 only one option is there, right? So option D is the correct answer or not? Last one. So now what is it you can say? CRRI. CRRI which one? Highway Research Board and National Laboratory, right? Which one? Both can be correct, na? Is no? So CRRI it will be which one? This National Laboratory. So IRC which one? This Highway Research Board, right? So like that you can say, right? So this completes your which one? This highway planning, right? Is it clear everyone? 32 questions we are done in this highway planning, right? Everyone is it clear? Majority of the questions you will be getting from this one only, right? Shall we move to the next questions, everyone? Shall we move to the next questions or we'll do them in the next class? What shall we do? Shall we move on to this highway alignment also, or we'll move on to the next class? We'll see them in the next class. What we'll do? Okay, I'll close it then. I'll close then. So remaining we'll do in the next class. Okay. Next tomorrow it will be there, right? Tomorrow at the same time. 2 p.m. is okay, or 2:30 p.m. I'll take 2 p.m. Shall I keep at this time only tomorrow also? So tomorrow that highway alignment and this cross section alignments will be over. Highway alignment and cross section alignments also gets over. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you.